What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind.
Hi travelers, today I'm taking you on a weekend getaway to the North Conway area of the New Hampshire White Mountains. On our way to North Conway, we stopped at this gift shop in Ossipee called Tramway Artisans. They had an assortment of goods including maple products, kitchenware, and clothing. Although it was downpouring and foggy, we decided to stop at Cathedral Ledge and see what the views looked like. Then we went again the next day to compare on a sunny day. Before ending our first day at the hotel, we stopped at the Settlers Green Outlets to take a quick look around. We stayed at the Comfort Inn in North Conway, which is also home to Pirates Cove Mini Golf, which I'll show you on day 2. The room was the perfect size. We had a decent bathroom, a little kitchenette, and we also had 2 queen beds with a view of the mini golf course. I really liked this hotel. It was quiet. There weren't a lot of people, and they had continental breakfast each morning. They also provided free coffee and cookies every day between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. On day 2, we went to downtown Conway and visited Zeb's, because that is a must. There was a line outside the store before they even opened.
You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
We didn't buy any treats today, so it was a quick trip in Zeb's before we walked over to the Conway Scenic Railroad Station and we checked out the gift shop. With all this walking, we built up a sweet tooth and made our way to the Bavarian Chocolate House. We bought several items we've never tried before, including chocolate-covered ginger, peaches, pears, and orange peel. We ended day 2 back at the hotel playing mini golf at Pirates Cove. They have an easy course next to the building, and then the more challenging course across the driveway. We chose the challenging course, and it was a lot of fun. Day 3 was our last day, so we packed in a few gift shops before we headed home, starting with the Christmas Loft, which is just across the street from the hotel. It was one of the creepiest Christmas stores I've ever been in. I much preferred the Covered Bridge gift shop, which had some cool garden ornaments and typical New Hampshire souvenirs. Lastly, we stopped at a few attractions on the side of the road on our way home, including Crawford Notch, the Willie House, and Silver Cascade.